Hello, and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA is in the ongoing upwards trend. Yeah, so the trend is currently up, as you know. I think ADA has now nearly approached that 36-cent level that we discussed in the previous videos as a target for wave C. Let me just double check that. We talked about that 1-to-1 ratio. So we've got that yellow A wave, which might have peaked on October the 31st at around 30.5 cents. The B wave low at 28.4 cents. Yeah, and the 36.1 cent level is going to be the next key level to watch. After that, really, there's only 38 cents left. And then the triangle we've been tracking as one of the wave counts will be invalidated. Then we will fully focus on the diagonal pattern that we discussed in yesterday's video. So feel free to check out the last video if you want to get a bit more context. In this video, I just want to focus on the shorter time frame because we've started to cover ADA quite frequently again because the interest is there, right? If there's no interest, there's no point, but a lot of people watching, interested. So the idea, the wave count is basically unchanged. I mean, I've got an ABC structure that I'm tracking here in the yellow count or a 5-wave move to the upside. They are both similar. It looks more like a 3-wave structure. Either way, it doesn't really matter so much. Important is to understand that the 38 cent level needs to break to open the door for 50, 60 cents, as we discussed in yesterday's video. The micro trend is still up, and I have added a support area. This is moving support, so it will move with the price. It just means that against 33.2 cents, we can focus still on higher. I will shift this up a little bit, but this white wave count will be invalidated above 38 cents. That doesn't mean the C wave needs to stop there. So the yellow count can carry on. That's basically that diagonal pattern I talked about. We have here, I would like to make a small change about this wave count here, this structure. So we are going to shift this a little bit. It just shifts the targets to the upside a little bit. We had, maybe not, 1 second. We had here the 1, 2, 3, 4. No, that can, I think, stay. And then, but I will add the wave degree because we want to add a few more. Just want to give you an understanding of where we are in this structure. Then here, this is likely wave 3 in the making right now, in which we might now be in wave 5. So yeah, I think wave 3 is still unfolding. Then we should get a 4, which means I might actually need to change support. Let me just change support a little bit. So support is 33.4 cents. Doesn't mean it has to go down that much, but this is sort of these are the fib levels to watch. Third wave still pushing higher because we have 5 waves in wave 3 as far as I can see it. And I would say we had here 1, a 2, a 3. That was certainly long enough. We had a 4, and this could be wave 5 of 3. Just really showing you the micro count. Well, that at least shows you that another 4 and 5 have to be expected, or at least we have to consider it. They are reasonable, that expectation. So let me shift that across because I have to move all of this across as well. Yeah, it just prepares us for possibly another move down and another move up. And you can track the trend line. It doesn't need to come down into the support area. It's simply support. It's not necessarily a target. Especially against the last low, the focus can be on higher against that 33.6 cent level. But just be aware, we're approaching now a key price range, resistance range, 36.1 cent all the way up to 38. Yeah, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.